Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello YouTube. My name is Muhammad Uzair. You are watching YouTube channel Muhammad Uzair TV. In previous video, we learned about distance formula, function and vertical line test. In this video, we will do examples on function to check either the expression is a function or not, and we will learn about angle of inclination and trigonometric ratios. So let's suppose we have function y is equal to plus minus under root 1 minus x square, which is the equation of a circle. We can write it as equation of circle is like x square plus y square is equal to 1 with a radius of 1 at origin 0 0. So let's suppose this is a function, this is the equation of function. So there are three different graphs. This is number 1, number 2 and this number 3. In the first graph you want to check that if this is a graph of a function or not. Let's draw vertical lines to test that the expression or the graph is a function or not. So by drawing vertical lines on the first graph, we can see that it touches at 2 points. The vertical line touch at 2 points each time when we draw a vertical line. So this will be not a graph of a function. So full circle is not the function of a graph. So not function. Let's suppose we consider this function. The expression for this function will be y is equal to plus under root 1 minus x square. So this will be the expression for this graph. Let me draw vertical lines. As you can see that the graph starts from this point and end at this point. So this is the graph. So the vertical line touches the graph at only 1 point. So this will be the graph of function. In the third case, the expression will be y is equal to minus under root 1 minus x square. So let's draw vertical lines. So these are the vertical lines. So as we can see that it touches at only 1 point. So this will be also a function. So we can say that when a circle, complete circle, both plus and minus sign, that will be not a function. But if we consider positive side or negative side that separately, then we can consider it as a function. Angle of inclination. The angle between a line and an x-axis is called angle of inclination. The angle between a line and x-axis is called angle of inclination. For example, let's suppose we have Let's suppose this is a line making an angle. Let's suppose this is a line making an angle theta with, this is x-axis, y-axis, so this will be the, so theta will be angle of inclination. Trigonometric ratios. Let's suppose we have a line. Let's suppose we have a line making an angle theta with x-axis. Let's suppose this is x, this is y. So let's suppose this is a line R making an angle theta with x-axis. So this will be delta x, this will be delta y. So this is delta x, this is delta y. So this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is perpendicular. So trigonometric ratio, we can write it as for our simplicity, we need to remember this line. Some people have curly brown hair through proper brushing. Sine perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Cos is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Tangent is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So some people have curly brown hair. Cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse, and through tangent theta, through proper brushing, tangent theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So these are the trigonometric ratios. So by putting values in this equation, the first equation, sine theta is equal to perpendicular, here is delta y, and h is r. So delta y will be equal to r sine theta. Cos theta will be equal to delta x divided by r. As we can see that cos theta base divided by hypotenuse. So base is delta x and hypotenuse is r. So delta x divided by r. So delta x will be equal to r cos theta. Tangent theta will be equal to, through proper brushing, perpendicular divided by base. So perpendicular is delta y and base is delta x. So from these equations by putting values of these equations, so delta x is r cos theta, delta y is r sin theta, so this will cancel out with this, so tangent theta will be equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So in this video we learn about vertical line test, angle of inclination and trigonometric ratios. If you like the video, consider it for subscribing and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.